Hi fans of YouTube, from Coolman, showing you guys a special Snapsearch. You already saw this in the Snapsearch arcade video, but might as well show it again. The Snapcircuits Word Fan. This is basically a little fan with tiny LEDs, and whenever it's spinning, it shows messages on the blade. One blade here has LED, and the other blade doesn't. But honestly, no, that's not my original plan for this video. I originally planned for it to. I originally planned to show you guys DIY. I was going to show you guys DIY how to charge your phone using salt water, potato, or lemon. All those failed. So I decided to show you guys the Word Fan component again and how to code it. And also, hang on. And also right here is a little circuit which I'll show you to build pretty soon. If you guys like it. And next, if you guys have any suggestions, leave your comments down below. Or comment the name of the other videos. I'm looking at them. And then finally for next video, it might be something pretty cool. Here's the fun part where I get to show you guys how you guys can actually code this, the Word Fan. See if I bring you guys in close. Here comes a close-up shot for you guys. So we can see. First thing you need to do is actually, this is Project 15 out of the book, by the way. This Word Fan only works in one direction. The fan will spin, but the LEDs on it won't wait. Now we're going to need to actually add a button. There you go. So then now that's right there, but then we're going to need these two. We're going to need some two snaps going right across. So there we got this. So, and then we need to place this right here. Combine onto a fly switch. As you can see, combine onto a fly switch right over here. Now guys, you guys are also going to need to take some one snap. These are like spacers, and you're gonna need to place some right there like that. Your selector. This is basically a triple. This basically is 3 buttons in one. Connect it here, but we're not done. We're not done. Then what you need to do is take a jumper wire, connect it right up into there, and then connect it right down here, and connect it right down to here. Hard on. Hang on. There you go. So you can see, put the slide switch. This. There you go. You can see this button here, the way you code this, if you want to code it, you hold down this button, Wait. Okay, never mind. You hold that down. You can type any word you want. If you want to type like add, simple. So as you see, you can go like this. So see, you type add, and then if you hold down the button, it actually codes it into the fan. You can see, you can, on this fan from the SnapCircus arcade set, you can type up to 6 phrases in this one fan. Alright, that's all.